In this new data-driven market, people want live updates on road conditions, leaving the road compliance industry with a gap to fill. Introducing Public Maps by Zenduit. Public Maps is the leading road compliance and vehicle tracking solution. Public Maps is perfect for winter operations, allowing managers to view exactly where their plows are. In addition, managers can view which roads were plowed and when was the last time they were plowed. Not only can you track which roads were plowed, you can view the exact moment the plow was lowered. An exclusive feature on Public Maps is a shareable link to view the live map, allowing users to share with their customers which roads and properties were serviced and when they were serviced.
Hello, John. Route 22 was last plowed 2 hours ago. Vehicle 41 is 10 kilometers away from Route 22. ETA is 17 minutes.
Public Maps allows for clear communication while conducting road operations in the most efficient and organized manner. Managers can have a full view of where their trucks are, how much salt was spread, and which roads were serviced. Plus, they can share all this information live with their customers for clear and precise communication. Public Maps makes it easy to see when a road was last serviced with color-coded maps that represent the time interval between road services. Unique to Public Maps, winter maintenance operations is the tracking, analysis, and reporting of salt spreading. Public Maps organizes custom reports into a visual dashboard, allowing for managers to have a solid understanding at a glance. With Public Maps' proximity feature, you can be notified of estimated time of arrival for your crews to their work sites. Perfect for road maintenance operations, allowing managers to have a real-time view of how much work has been done. And that's not all. Public Maps integrates with ArcGIS and other mapping softwares, allowing for a much more effective workflow with no bounds to integration capabilities. With all the possibilities of Public Maps, road service operations can rest easy, knowing they'll have live management of their operations, while also being able to provide improved road compliance to clients.